other thing is I'm seeing a lot more people over the last couple years talking about mouth taping.
I'm a big proponent of a mouth tape because everybody walk around with an open mouth. And this because they do mouth breathing, so these muscles become really weak, lips become really weak. And tape is the beginning of the conversation. What you have to do to keep your lips closed or lips together. In my practice, because I do dental sleep medicine, that's part of the therapy. I explain to my patients how to open the nose and then close the mouth. And some people claustrophobic. They're scared to use tape over the lips. So for them, we have a tape around the lip, what actually stimulate them to keep the lips closed, but at the same time, lips can be open if they need to. I'm a big proponent with the nose being open, in a different ways. We have some rinses, or we have some, nose cones, we can call them, or special magnetic strips to keep the nose open and mouth closed. And it's actually reduce the phenomena of snoring, because when you close your mouth, tongue stay forward, not falling into the airway.
Showing up a lot on my TikTok for some reason, where people are putting some kind of magnet thing.
Called intake. I'm a big proponent of intake.
Okay.
As I mentioned, I have a podcast, so I interview the, one of the founders of that company. People, just explain what intake is. Everybody heard about nose strips, but they're not strong enough to open up the nose. So for intake, there are two little magnets on the sides of the nose. You stick them in on a bandage, and then magnetic strip what actually open this part of the nose, what doing the collapse, what closing up nasal valve. You're opening the nasal valve, and the resistance, you can breathe without so much resistance.
So where do they put they have to put magnets inside their nose?
Outside.
Oh,
Everything is outside.
Okay.
I explain to my patients therapy what they can do to put something inside, like a nose cone, so little silicone rings inside. But some people don't like to put anything inside the nose, so they can use things, and they stick the magnet and they put the nose strip, magnetic nose strip outside, and
that's
breathe.
fascinating.
And actually do sport, do the gym or walk or run with that.
There is somebody that I see on social media, I can't remember his name, some business influencer, and he wears it all the time.
Yeah.
So it's not just
Alex
something...
Hormozy.
Yes,
I was
that's
thinking
him.
right now about him. Yeah, so Alex Hormozy is wearing it. Interesting.
What
Nose
does
strip.
he have on there? Did he get a nose job? Is it a